Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn about how to parse API data in a Swift UI. I have this URL of movies data. I will show the JSON here. This will be in the form of array. You can see this, and I will get a title and a year from this JSON text. JSON text, and let's get started. And show in the form of list. So let's get started. First we will add a view model. I have already created a model for API data, codable type and identifiable. So that we need to add ID, name, released, and the keys we will get from the JSON: ID, title, and year. So for that this class mm, view model, API view model. Sorry, view model. It will be of a observable type at the rate published where movies. It will be a type of array of API data. First of all, we will add let URL equal to new URL. It will check that URL is valid or not. For that, we need to add URL string that we have already taken, else return. If there is no URL, then it will return. Otherwise, start URL session dot share dot. It will be a type URL and data that we will get, and response and error. You need to always check the error, but here I am not uh, checking right now. So mm, first of all, we will parse data from the let data list, like JSON decoder dot decode what type of data you want to get. We want to get array of API data dot self, and data will be the data that is coming from the uh, from here, and we will place it here. So this is basically a try block because it will handle exception. Do catch, and we will assign this data to movies array data list. So whenever you will assign this data, because it will impact the UI, this movies array, so we need to put that inside a dispatch queue, so there will be no exception or error in while running this code. So it will update this. For now, we will add one more condition: if data equal to data, if the data is there, if our data is not nil, then we will show this, then it will work fine, and it will update the movies array. So now what we have, if let data, sorry, so now we have to add a list here. it will be sorry, we need to add a variable of the view model which will be of observe type. Observe where API view model, suppose view model only, equal to API view model, and we will add it here, and movies will come, and then movie, and now we will add a title and a date. Title will be a movie dot name text, movie dot release, sorry, I think it is released, movie dot released. Now we will make it little bit larger, on dot system dot 20, and type of bold, and we will put it in vstack. Now we will put it in vstack, and the alignment will be leading. So now we have all set. Whenever the data will come from this view model, it will be called here. Whenever it will be called, the UI will automatically update. Let's I will run this on my device. I have to connect my iPhone to run this. So now I have added. Let's run this code in here. So this is how we decode the API data and pass this to array of movies. So for now it is showing nothing, because I think run this, and what it is doing, it is going to URL. Okay, I have not added resume here, so we need to resume this, then it will work. And then it will call the callback method inside this. So whenever this is called, you need to always resume this. Now it will come here. Now the data is coming, so we will check that it is parsing now. You will see 8 items are coming. Now whenever this will come, I will show this here. You will see Joker, Pulp Fiction. Suppose I will run like this. Now you will see there is a movies and year of the movies. So let's do one thing. We will add one more thing here, context menu. You have seen this many apps like WhatsApp. Whenever you click on, hold the list of the contacts, that it will zoom out. So for that we will add a context menu, and we will add button here, button, and title will be remove item, and on click of this we will remove item from the view model data movies data. For now I am removing from first index, from because for that we need index for that, to remove on the particular whenever wherever I have clicked. But for now I will only click on the first item and remove that from that array. So let's see how it will work. Now I have here my phone connected. Now suppose I click on zoom, double click on zoom. So it is for no, it is zooming the whole list, but we need to zoom only the first item. For that, I have added this context menu outside the list. For that, I need to add this on the item in this vstack. So I will paste it here and run. Now you will see that the only the item of the list will be zoomed. Let's suppose you will see the joker is now zoomed, other items are blurred. Remove item button is here. When I click on this remove item button, it will remove the first item and update the list automatically updated whenever I click remove the items. So this is basically what it is called, MVVM. So that's all for today's tutorial. Today we have learned about the how to get the data from the API and show it on in the form of list and little bit use of context menu, how the context menu buttons are added and how it will be shown in Swift UI. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Uh, like, share and subscribe please. It is a request so you can get new tutorials. It will be good that I will be appreciated for this. Thank you.